Okay, so I think I'm just gonna grab the ugly ones. So I'm gonna grab this one. I have no idea what it is. It looks like grapes, but it's not grapes. It could be like, I don't know, some vegetable. It doesn't have any like English on it.
So it does. It's just
oh, it's a grape.
Oh, okay.
I think it's grape. Again,
grape.
but grape. Oh,
what the
it looks like a Tootsie Roll, but green.
Oh,
You
yeah.
see?
Ooh, it smells like taffy.
It smells good. Okay, maybe it's gum.
Oh, but that's too hard to be gum.
It's good.
Just taffy. I don't like it.
I like it.
Tastes like that fruit that my grandma likes.
I like it.
Yeah, put it in that wrapper.
This one?
Yeah. Where's the water at?
Alright.
I was about to grab back the green. Just kidding, it's coming in the mail. Oh, the water hit me in the face. That actually, it was crazy. Never happened before. Alright, you can go to the next one. Still eating it?
Yeah,
okay, I can do it. That's good, I guess it's running out. So I guess we can stick with like the grain stuff. So, well, we went to candies, I guess, but this is cookies. Choco chips. High quality mini choco cookies. Nice. There's like a secondhand Pac-Man, but I'm not a rapper. So yeah. Says to you by 2020. You think we're good? Okay, here you open it because I can't open it.
Yeah, this one's not for me. Oh yeah, this one's gonna be hard. We should just stick with opening it like that.
I know, right?
Ooh, it smells very chocolatey.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Super chocolatey.
Smells like M&M. The M&M cookies.
Very tiny.
Has like a different like sugary taste.
Yeah.
Like a sweet.
Like cinnamon almost.
Yeah. Like cinnamon.
Yeah.
Those are good.
Yeah,
I like
those are
those.
These definitely count.
Yeah.
Good.
Suecitos. Dang, like I keep seeing this one, so I'm just gonna grab it because it just keeps catching my eye.
It's like, to begin with, it's
Milky.
really good package.
Yeah, it's good packaging.
I like it. The character's nice too.
This one looks like it's gonna be tough. Man, freaking Japanese people with their crabs.
So far, I really didn't like the Pringles. That was like so far the worst one that I've ever tasted.
Yeah.
Is the Pringles.
Comment which one you guys think looks more appetizing, I guess.
Yeah. Let us know.
Because they all look appetizing, even the Pringles one, and he's really shocked us. So all of them are pretty good so far.
Well, some of them, like, I was kind of like, I'm not gonna like, and honestly, it was this one. And we ended up liking it, I just didn't like the appetizing.
Yeah, it doesn't look appetizing.
Yeah, it just really
This
did.
one, like, just since the beginning, it's really caught my eye.
Excuse me. I hope that one just doesn't disappoint me.
Yeah, like, it's one of those, right? Oh, okay.
Where is that?
I didn't expect that.
Okay, so
Here.
thank you.
I think it's another taffy candy, guys. I thought it was gonna be chocolate.
Yeah,
Really misleading.
it could be milk. Oh, it's hard.
Oh, what the heck? Like a jawbreaker. To the sides.
It is milk. It's milky. It's
Literal.
creamy.
I guess here, or I guess when we go with like milky, we think like chocolate, milky, but this was literal milk.
Yeah,
Pretty hard.
it's very creamy, very milky.
It's good.
It's good. It's just gonna take a long time to eat, so we're just gonna put this back.
Yeah, look
to
at
the
mine.
side.
I
Oh.
chewed it.
Yeah, I left mine home.
Yeah, you can put that over there.
Yeah, you want some milk? Want some
Yeah.
milk? Want some
Want some
water?
milk? Got milk. So this one was pretty good. It's just really tough.
Yeah.
So this one can just go back in here. Trash it. Yeah, water.
Okay. So I was actually looking at this one, and this one, it caught my attention because it says energy drink.
What else does it say?
It says Boruto.
instead of Naruto.
Yeah. But it's because
Got
it says here is a Naruto Next Generation. So I think that has something to do with it. Don't ask me too much about it because I don't know about
Oh,
this.
what the heck is this energy drink?
Yeah.
What the heck? You're right.
So that was interesting. Like I want to see what it is. Like you can't see it, like what's inside of it. So that's pretty.
This is cool. Look at eat by 11, 8, 19. So like their dates. I don't know if you guys can see that, but 19 the year, 11 the month, and 8 the day. So that's pretty crazy. It's similar to the pineapple.
Yeah, it's similar to the pineapple.
Oh, so right there, look.
Oh yeah.
So you see that right there. You can see like right here this image how it replicates this.
I'm gonna start sneezing right now.
Yeah.
No. So he likes it when I sneeze for some reason.
Smell it.
It smells like gelatin, like Jello.
But it smells like Red Bull.
I never drank. Okay, maybe I've drank like some Monsters, like a little bit, but I don't drink energy drinks either.
Yeah, me
The only caffeine I drink is coffee. So. Hey, give me some.
Sorry.
I guess I'll get the fingers.
Yeah. Red Bull, guys.
But in the form of a gummy. Have
Yeah.
you guys ever had that?
I tasted it today from one of my coworkers' drinks. Red Bull Mango.
Drinks?
It wasn't good. Mango flavor doesn't taste so well.
He doesn't like mango speaking of it, so.
Yeah, she said that originally. But yeah, it tastes good. I like it.
It's good. I don't know.
Red Bull.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Alright, so the next one. You wanna go with the Kit Kats?
Yeah. There's Kit Kats in there, and there's a lot.
Kit Kat City.
They could be, they could be all the same.
They
Not
are all
really.
the same.
I like almonds, and there's little almond pictures in here, and I really like that.
It's pomegranate.
So it says, "Have a break, have a Kit Kat."
Does it say
Yeah,
that?
there's almonds right there.
I know, but there's pomegranate.
Pomegranates, yeah.
Oh, it does say have a break. It says chocolatey. Nice. Inspired by chocolatey.
Okay. Oh, what? Okay, so this is
Whoa.
completely different from a regular Kit Kat that we have here.
Okay, I'll leave that. You have it now.
Yeah.
Look at guys. Look at that. Like I don't know if you guys can see that. My camera doesn't have autofocus for some reason. At Tony. So yeah, guys, like.
I like it. It's almost like those chocolate covered like fruits that they sell for as a candy.
I think it's dark chocolate.
It could be dark chocolate. We don't know. It doesn't really say.
It probably does, but in Japanese.
Yeah. It probably does. Just
This one.
oh, I didn't even know that was in there.
Got him. This is a taffy. Man, these freaking Japanese people want their taffies.
Hey, we have a lot of taffy candy.
I guess.
So all those people who like taffy, you know, that's for you. We don't enjoy taffy.
Yeah, it hurts your teeth. Even though I drink Dr. Pepper, it hurts my teeth as well.
Yeah, this is a very long taffy.
Oh yeah.
I can't bite this.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's the orange flavor.
Mmm.
It's good. It's if it's
It's
easier.
good.
The thing is, I have chocolate in my mouth, so I have orange now in my mouth. So yeah.
That's good.
Alright guys, we're getting down to the
Not my
last two
favorite.
items of the box. You know what's in the box.
So that one was super interesting to me.
So now for these back of these labels. This looks like a marshmallow, but in the back it says chocolate cracker. So it's deceiving
I think it could be a wafer.
that probably.
It could. I think it could be wafer.
And then this one just says banana, choco banana, soft candy.
Okay.
So it's like a mixer thing. It's pretty cool. There's instructions in the back, so you can make your banana whatever.
I feel like this really reminds me of chocolate covered bananas, like the frozen ones that you eat because of the pictures. But obviously it's not frozen. I feel.
hard.
Yeah. So which one do you want to open first?
Oh, sorry, I got a text. This one.
This is so cool. This one's really, I guess this one's cool, the packaging. And then also there's a fish on here and it says so cool. So that's pretty interesting.
Sorry, guys. When duty calls, right? So you try to open that one?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, it is a wafer in the form of fish and it's destroying.
Nice. You want to buy it? Wow.
Oh, okay. Well, let me buy it first. It's mint.
Really?
It's mint.
Oh, I can smell it.
But the wafer is good. I like mint.
I love mint.
Yeah. You can tell he likes it. No wonder it's like so cool. Like it's cool.
Got him. More?
Yeah, I do.
This one's good, guys.
This is my favorite one.
Now, the rest of the head.
Okay.
That's good. I feel refreshed.
Yeah.
Last one, guys. Part of this unboxing. Banana snack. Whatever you want to call it. Oh, it's DIY. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. Chocolate banana. Chewing candy. I wonder if it's like...
The packaging is similar.
What the heck? I smelled it immediately.
So where's the chocolate?
Where are the sticks?
Yeah.
Right there. It's squeezable chocolate.
Is it like laughing?
Laffy what?
Like Laffy Taffy?
Laffy.
Oh, look at
The
the
stick.
stick. It's right there.
There it is.
Okay.
This is cool.
So now I guess we have to do this. So let's do
Okay.
this.
So, oh,
Little
right there.
area?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
see it. Okay, cool. I'm gonna put this back in for now. Or let's put it here. I don't know if they can see that, but
Or we can just close this and then have it.
yeah, let's
top.
close it.
Here, let's do a whole setup for you and let's do this DIY for you guys. So I'll pour the chocolate in. This is fun. I like DIYs.
This is really cool.
Yeah, I like this. It's very interactive.
Very interactive. Definitely done.
No, you didn't bring it.
Dang, a chocolate stick.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
I want to taste the chocolate.
Taste it. I'm gonna set me up a banana.
So the chocolate's good. It's okay. It's good chocolate. I think you need a kind of like.
Yeah, I got this, Brianna.
Okay. He's got it. Oh, that looks better. That's cute.
This is cool.
Yeah.
I thought this is working better than I thought. Look at that. Friggin' A1 banana maker.
Now I
chocolate
feel
maker.
very competitive, and now I want to make mine better than yours. It's good?
Wow. That's really cool. Best one. Happy we did it last.
So he really likes it then. You have both the stick.
Did you break the stick?
No. Yes? Come on.
Oh, you broke the stick. It's okay. This is good.
I like it.
Really good,
It's
guys.
almost like gum.
Okay, that didn't work. That doesn't look cool. But, alright, guys, so that's the video. That's our unboxing of Japanese snack pack. So yeah, so if you liked it, guys, like I said, like the video. I really would appreciate that like more than the subscribe. If you do like it even more, you know, subscribe if you like to. But like I said, you know, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. The snacks were pretty good. I don't know what you want to say about the snacks.
Okay. Sorry, I was chewing a little bit. I still had that like banana in my mouth. Okay, so I really enjoyed the snack. It was definitely different from what we have here. Some of it was very out there. I wouldn't have bought it. For example, this one, if I didn't like the packaging, but you know, it's okay. We tried it. It was something different, and I liked it. Yeah.
Awesome.
Fun.
So yeah, guys.
And then, like he said, if you really enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to it. But if you liked it a lot, go ahead and press that like button because it means a lot to us.
To me. Not to her.
Yes, it does. It
She's
means
not
a
part
lot
of
to
this
me.
show.
Oh my god.
Just kidding. But yeah, guys. Hopefully next video.
So hopefully next video is going to be about his Supreme package that he already has and the one that's coming in, and he's very excited about it. I'm excited to watch him make that video and edit it for you guys. He's putting a lot of work into it, and you know.
Yeah, videos are hard to make. I've learned.
No, but it's been a journey, and it's fun. Yeah, he likes it.
Yeah. So that's it, guys. Like I said, see you all later.
Bye.
Make sure you guys have big bags. You know why.